Biology Project by David Novoa and Santiago Rubio AC. History of Mendel. Gregor Johann Mendel was born in 20 of July of 1822 and died on January 6, 1884. Was a German scientist and Augustinian prior who gained posthumous fame as the founder of the modern science of genetics. Though farmers had known for centuries that crossbreeding of animals and plants could favor certain desirable traits, Mendel plant experiment conducted between 1856 and 1863 established many of the rules of heredity, now referred to as the laws of Mendelian inheritance. Mendel worked with 7 characteristics of pea plants: plant height, pod shape, and color, seed shape, color and flower position and color. With seed color, he showed that when a yellow pea and a green pea were bred together, their offspring plant was always yellow. However, in the next generation of plants, the green peas reappear of a radius of 1/3. To explain this phenomenon, Mendel coined the terms recessive and dominant, in reference to certain traits. In the present example, green peas are recessive and yellow peas are dominant. He published his work in 1866, demonstrating the actions of invisible factors, now called genes, and provided for visible traits in practical ways. The profound significance of Mendel's work was not recognized until the turn of the 20th century. More than 3 decades later, with the independent rediscovery of these laws, Eric von Sommer, Hugo de Vries, Carl Correns, and William Spillman independently verified several of Mendel's experimental findings, ushering in the modern age of genetics. Chromosome structure. The chromosome is made by 2 identical chromatids. One is an act of copy of another, and each contains 1 DNA molecule. P-arm, short arm structure, centromere, constructed point of the chromosome. Q-arm, long arm structure. DNA molecule, long string like DNA molecule formed into a compact structure by proteins called histones. What is a chromosome? In biology and cytogenetics, is called chromosome to each of the highly organized structure consisting of DNA and protein, which contains most of the genetic information of an individual. In cell division, mitosis and meiosis present its best now for well-delayed X-shaped bodies because of the degree of compaction and duplication.